can I just ask a few clarifications?
जी
In one, you mentioned parliamentary political party. In two, you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In three, you mentioned political party. And in four, you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the three terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political party, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where, because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the two terms?
Yes, in one of the provisions, 63A, sir.
So I know why you use two terms differently.
Yes, because
No, because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no
63A,
because.
No, ji.
Ji. Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party.
Ji, ji.
It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So I just want, in a court of law, we have to be very precise.
ठीक है.
So please, should I delete the word political
जी
party?
आप कर दें बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
No, you say it, I'll delete it.
जी जी आप कर दें.
Okay.
This is
So
only
there
for
is no term parliamentary political party in the Constitution.
जी जी जी.
Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party.
जी.
And please refer to the two terms where they've been used in the
Yes,
Constitution.
63A.
Ji, this is parliamentary party.
Ji. Disqualification on ground of defection, etc. If a member of a parliamentary party,
What does this mean, parliamentary party, as opposed to a political party?
you can have a political party which has no seats in parliament, then they will not have a parliamentary party.
So you are a political party and not a parliamentary party.
I am both a political party and a parliamentary party.
Now you may have become one,
Ji.
but you were never that before, correct?
I cannot say about previous elections, but
No,
we did not.
लेकिन after the elections, 8th of February को आप क्या थे?
At 8th of February, I was a political party. When the independents joined, I became a parliamentary party also.
So only when the independent joined,
Yes.
you became a parliamentary party?
Yes.
Okay. Now who's your parliamentary head, which refers to an explanation? Who's your head?
Parliamentary party head.
जी.
Don't ask. This should be a matter of law.
सर वो आपको बता देते.
नहीं बताना होगा ना अभी.
सर अभी बता देता हूँ. I'll just tell.
A lot will flow from that.
I don't think a lot will flow from that, but I'll tell your lordship that.
No, because tomorrow the PTI and your head may be at odds.
Yes, but I don't think
So
anything will flow from that in terms of the question before your lordship. It's not relevant, but I'll tell your lordship the
You
answer.
don't know the head of your own political
No,
party.
my lord, I don't have the name right now.
You're a petitioner.
No,
Sir, I don't have all the information at my fingertips, but I'll inform your lordship.
पार्लियामेंट्री हेड असेंबली में कौन है वो पूछ
Sir, वो अभी
नाम आपके पिटीशन में लिखा है ना साहिबजादा
petitioner जो है साहबजादा वो head of the
सर वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हेड हैं.
जी
जी जी. नॉट द पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी.
अच्छा, इनका क्या कोई इलेक्शन होता है? पार्लियामेंट्री हेड का क्या प्रोसीजर होता है? हाउ डू यू डिटर्मिन इन अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हु इज अ पार्लियामेंट्री हेड?
I think
Party
there's-
head, how do you
sir,
do it?
I think there's an internal election.
Do you have to notify? Does it go to ECP?
Sir, I don't have that the
You have
answer
to
to
inform
that.
the speaker. What do you do?
You of course inform the speaker, sir, but I can look into those questions because they were not relevant to the issue before. That is why I didn't prepare on that, sir.
Don't tell us what's relevant.
No, I'm saying it's simply giving my explanation, sir. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि relevant नहीं होंगे. मेरा ये ख्याल था. That is why I didn't get this information.
अच्छा, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
जी.
पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में? ये तो आपने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टीज का बताया हमें. दूसरा टर्म है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, उनका तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
सर आर्टिकल 17 में भी है और
63A में भी है.
63A में भी है पार्टी हेड.
पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी लिखा हुआ है इसमें.
नहीं सर आगे जाके पार्टी हेड है.
head भी है.